Hi, thanks for subscribing. Right now I have 37 subscribers. If I had 33 subscribers, I'll do part 2. And if I have 43 subscribers, I'll do part 3. But I made over 33 subscribers. And I have 37 right now, so I'm doing part 2 right now. And this Island Rain part. Alright, I'm gonna try to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And then if I do, and then, yeah. And I want this to be able to get, this time I want this to be able to get like 200 likes and 3,000 views and 100 comments. And if one of the comments says do a part 3, then I'll do a part 3. Yeah. And it has to get 10 more subscribers, and I have to hit 43 subscribers to do part 3. Alright, to level 21 to level 41. Please subscribe. Just please subscribe. Luis. Alright, now we have over 1 million cash. And I'm gonna make it higher, like about, well, we get 1.35 IL cash a minute. Oh my god. I had 23 subscribers a couple weeks ago. Now I'm at 37 subscribers. That's crazy. Right now we're on level 23. This one is level 21 to 40 level. And I did a part like that like 3 weeks ago. I did this when I had 23 subscribers. I was at 23 subscribers for a couple weeks, and then I went to, because I wasn't posting, now I'm posting more videos, and I'm getting more subscribers, and I'm liking more people's videos, and they're subscribing to me too, and then that's how you get subscribers. Right. Doing so good in subscribers. Oh my god, it's raining faster now. I had to. Oh my god, I almost. Alright, I'm at level 25 now. Oh. And oh my god. I have so much money. Oh, just released water. Now it's by. We're level 26 now. Every time the level needs more XP, as level 1 was, we needed this. If we hit 43 subscribers today, and then I'll do part 3 and part 4 of Island Rain. Oh my god. Okay, we're at level 27 now. The levels are getting longer now. It's gonna take me. Yeah, look how fast it is now. Look how really fast it is. Every time it does, I get like 2.39 powers, and this is times. Now we're on times 3 now. Oh my god, I got like red warning. Oh no. Oh, click. Alright. I clicked it. Oh yeah. That was a really close one. I'm at 20. We're getting like $100,000 a second. Oh my god, that was a really close one. Oh my god, I gotta do it like when it's in the middle, I guess, next time. Not even at level 30 yet. We're almost there. We're almost halfway there to level 40. So we're only to the levels. I'm gonna make the level 40. And we're done. Please subscribe. Alright. Did it a good timing now. We're just level 30 now. We're just on level 30 now. Level 30. Here we can buy. We have. Then we can do our spawner now. Type 10. Oh, release. Oh, no. Goes up so fast. We only slightly just made it to level 31. I don't know if it's going to be longer than the first video. The first video was like 21 minutes long. And we're only halfway there. I've been recording almost 10 minutes. Alright. What are these? Still on level 31. We still. Every time we need to do like 2 times now. 2 cycles up now. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna do the Tower of Hell. Last time was the easy version of doing Tower of Hell. Now I'm gonna do the Real Tower of Hell when I hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of this year. If that happens, I'll do the Tower of Hell on Roblox. Live streaming soon. Live streaming before 2023 if I hit 1,000 subscribers. Click. Oh my god. Alright. We're definitely going to make it to level 32. Yeah, we're on level 32. We're almost there. We're going to make it. Alright. Oh my god, it goes up. Alright, we're going to be on level 33 almost. After when I hit over 1,000 subscribers, I'm actually going to start earning money. And then I'm going to be able to do crazier things. I'm going to be able to do live streams and money and challenges. Like, you could pay for money. Oh my god, just Oh. Whoa. We're earning so much money. It goes up so fast. Oh my god. It's raining so fast. Look how fast it is. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just clicked it. I'm level 34. Yeah, that's good. We're almost 3/4 of the way there. Every time now it's $4.42 million. Oh, not double, so yeah. So like about $9 million. $8.84 thousand. $8.84 thousand. I mean, oh my god! I just almost like it. It just jumped up from 3 times and it already went to warning. Type 11. Oh, that's smaller. 2.8. Two times. We're just on level 35. Oh my god. Alright, I just clicked it. 3. We're still on level 35. So we're about 3/4 the way there now. So we're almost there. One time I started, like 15 minutes ago I started recording. So I don't know if it's going to be longer or not. Alright. Alright. I did it a little too early this time. Alright. Did it when right here. Alright, it goes up actually faster when it goes on 2 times. It goes up. Oh my god. 3.95. Oh, I just did it right in time this time. I did it right before he had warning again. Oh, about it. Oh my god, look how fast it is. We're level 37 now. So we're about like 5th, 6th of the way there. 5 out of 6 the way there now. Alright. It's hard. Oh my god. We're on level 37. Now we're gonna be on level. Oh, we just got on level 38. I just got on level 38. Oh my god. So close to level 40. Our catch is going to be now higher. It's going to be more than 2,000. Oh my god, just shoot it up so fast and they catched it before it hit warning. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm still on level 38. Oh no. Alright, we're on level 38 still. So about like 2 more times we'll be at level 40. god. Alright. This video needs 10 at 37. Oh, yeah. I need 200 likes, 160 comments, one comment that says do part 3, and then I'll do it. 200 likes, and about when I'm at 37 subscribers, so I need 6 more subscribers, and this video needs 3,000 views. Oh my god. And we're at level 39. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna be on level 40 now. Are we gonna be on level 40? Yeah! We're on level 40. Alright, one more time. Oh my god, we're on 37 subscribers. And I'm trying to get more subscribers. Alright, man. Alright, that was the final release water. And then I'm going to say bye. No. Are we going to be on level 41? We're really we're on level 40 still. 4.24, and then I'm going to say, I want to say bye. I'm going to say bye. And I'm going to say bye. We're on level 41 now. Alright, bye guys. Thank you for watching, and I love you. Right. And bye. Bye guys, thank you for watching. I want you to please subscribe. Bye guys.